Welcome back to the channel. My name is Samira. I want to say a very big thank you to all my old subscribers. Thank you so much for always being there for me. And also my new subscriber, I want to say a very big thank you for your support. Thank you so much. So today we are making this unique neckline. It has square and it's a unique neckline, and it has a basket waistline. You can see how beautiful it is on my body. I'm wearing it on a high waist skirt, very beautiful. You can also use your jean on high waist jean. You can also use it to wear this crop top because it's very unique and short, and the fabric that we use in making it is very small fabric that we use in making it. So if you have your small fabric at home there with you, can use it to create this beautiful style. So guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can also share this tutorial with your friends. Give my video a thumbs up so that more people can get to see this unique style and learn from it. So we have a lot on this channel, so you can also check out the tutorials that we have on my channel, so you can also learn how to cut the styles that we have there already. So guys, please, another way for you to support my channel is for you to watch my tutorials to the end. Please watch my tutorials to the end. I really want this channel to grow this year. Please, we can do that together by watching my tutorials to the end, guys. Like I said, if you're interested to know how to make this unique style, very unique style, you can see how gorgeous it is on my body. So please keep on watching this tutorial to the end so that you can learn how to cut and sew it on your own. So guys, let's get started now with the tutorial.
So this is our fabric that we are using to make this tie. It's a small fabric, and if you have it on your own, you can also use it to cut and sew on this kind of style. So let me cut it all together so that we'll start with our measurement. So I want to fold it so that I'll use my scissors to cut it. So this is the body of the fabric that we are using, and it's optional that we are making that have stripe sleeve, and it's a basket waistline that we're also using to make it. So let's get started now. So I will do with my measurement now. So let me have a straight line so that we'll start with our measurement now. So always subscribe to my channel, please guys, and watch my video to the end, and subscribe, share to your friends. So now I want to start with the measurement proper. So my neck line that I want to use is 3, so I will start it now. So when making your up shoulder, this is how you go about it. Take away from your tape rule, and that is what I want to do now to get my length now. So I'm taking away from my tape rule. What is there is 5, and my full length that you can see me having is 17. So that is my 17 there. So this is how you also place your tape rule when making your up shoulder. It's up shoulder that we are making on this beautiful fabric that we want to cut. So this is my neckline. What I'm marking there is 3, and it's a square neck that we are having, that we want to make, and it's 1 inch. I will also added again. That is why we are saying it's a unique neckline that we are making. So I've added 1 inch on it, and you see the way I will also give it, like the neck. It's not a straight neckline, that is the square. It's not straight one. I will curve it so that it will have that curving at the neckline. So can you see what I'm doing there now? So I want to curve it now. So what I did there, just for us to curve it out to have that neckline, not a straight square that we are having there now. And that's my 1 inch. I also marked there, and you see the way I will connect it to the armhole. So this is how you go about it when making it. So can you see the way I'm giving out my square neckline? So this is my armhole. My armhole that I'm having there is 1 inch. So that is how you also make your own. So I will connect my armhole now. So can you see 1 inch that I added, and this is how I cut it and give it that my armhole line. So can you see how it is? Please always subscribe to my channel, and you can see the way I'm pointing it out. That is 1 inch that I added before the armhole. So now is my body measurement. My bust measurement that I'm having there is 38, and adding 1.5 inch for the sewing allowance. Coming to the waistline is 28, and I will also add 1 inch for the dart, because it will have a dart, and that's my 1 inch that I'm adding before my sewing allowance. So my sewing allowance that I added there is 1.5. So I will connect it together from the waist to the waistline, and it will be done. So this the connection that I'm doing there now. So I'm connecting the bust to the waistline, and also after that I will also mark where I will get my basket waistline, and from the down side of it is where I will mark. So what I want to mark there with my tape rule is 3. So I will bring it down with 3, and from there is where we'll now get our basket waistline to curve out. So that is my 3 there that I'm marking. So just let me use my hands to take it down, like to get that my curving side. So I want to curve it at that side of it to bring it down to have that sharp V. So I'm using my curve ruler to curve it out, like to give it a straight line to have that V line. So this how you also make your own. So at the side of it I curve it. It's not a straight sharp V there, and by the time I cut it I will also open it for you to see what I mean. So I want to cut the neck now, and you see the way I want to cut the neck. So for the back neck is round, so I will cut my back neckline, round neck, but the front neckline is what I'm cutting is square, and that square is not a straight one, and repeating it is not a straight square line, is having a curve there. So this is my arm owner that I'm cutting. Just follow the way you are seeing me doing it now. So that is my 1 inch that I've put out there now. So can you see how it's pointed out? That is my 1 inch. So now is the body side that I'm cutting now. So after cutting it now, I will also cut my basket waistline and also spread it out, that is the front side, to show you how it is now. So that is my body measurement. I'm not trying to see what is there. So I want to cut the downside of it now. That is my basket waistline. Remember, it will have a striped sleeve on it, and also show you how to cut it and how to fix it when fixing it on the body of the top. Remember, if you have a small fabric, you can use it to cut this style. So can you see the neckline that I'm talking about now? That is the 1 inch that I added here. So that is what I'm also pointing out for you, and you can see how it is now, this side of it now. So now is the back side of it. So I'm using the front to lay to get my zipper side of my back measurement. So this is how you also place your fabric when making your own. Just follow every detail that you can see me doing here, and before you know, you will get everything and it will come out good. So this is the neckline now that I want to make. My neckline that I'm having there is round, and my zipper allowance is 1 inch that I added there now. So that is my neckline that I want to mark. I'm bringing it down with 1 inch. Remember, the front side of it is 2 inch that I added there, while the back is 1 inch, and it will be round neck, and that's what I'm using my chalk to mark so that we'll cut it out. So the measurement of everything is done on the front side. So just for us now to use it to lay at the back and cut, and that's what you are seeing me doing. Please guys, always subscribe to my channel please, and share it to your friends so that they too can also learn from it and do it on their own. I want you guys to be doing it the way you are seeing me doing it. Have your fabric with you, so that by the time you finish watching, you just go and do it, and it will come out. And you can also use this small top to wear your high waist skirt, your high waist jeans, or any high waist clothes that you have, to wear it out. Even though it's a smaller top, it will also go with it, and you can see what I use it to wear out. So this is how you go about it when making your own. It's a basket waistline with up shoulder that have a striped sleeve. So after that, I will also cut our striped sleeve, and that's my zipper side of it that I'm cutting out now, that is the back side. So we are done with the cutting for the fabric. Now is the sleeve now that we want to cut out now. So after that, we'll go and stitch it together, and before you know, our fabric, our top will be ready. So this is the sleeve now that I'm talking about that I want to cut. The length of my sleeve that I want to use is 11. Remember, what I take out for my tape rule is 5, that is 10. So adding that 1 inch for the sewing is what I added there, that make it that 11. So now I will use my ruler and tape to mark what I want, is 1 inch that I want to have. After that, we'll go and fold it on the machine and turn it out and iron it and fix it to our body of our top. So that is 1 inch that I'm marking, that I'm using my tape to mark, so that I will cut it out. And one of the sleeve is what I'm cutting out. So after this one, I will use the other one, like this one that I've just got, to place on the fabric again and use it to cut it out, so that it will be now be the 2 sleeve, and we'll go and stitch it and iron it and fix. So this is how you also do your own when making your own. Can you see what I'm doing? Just watch everything and watch it to the end, and you can see how it will be and how you can go about it when making your own. So what I'm telling you there is what I will go and stitch it and turn it out and iron it and fix it to the body of the fabric. So this is this. So I'm just showing you now. I'm using the back to show you what I will do, and this is the length, and this is the stripe, and this is how I've ironed it out. So I will fix it. I will use my pin to pin it down to show you what I will go and do on the machine. So this is how you go. So now I want to pin it for you now. That is the striped sleeve now. So I will use my pin to pin it. So I'm pinning it now to show you what you will do, and that is what I will go and do on the machine, just using the pin to pin it. And this is the back side that I'm using. So after that, you now use the front to complete it, that to sew it together, and it will be ready and you can wear it out. So that is the one side of it now. So let me use the other side of the back and also pin it down to go and stitch. I'm just showing you what you will do. I'm still repeating it, what you will do when making your own. So you pin the other side on it. So I'm just shifting it out for you to see what I'm doing there now, for you to see how you will do it on your own. Using my pin is what I'm doing there now. So now I will take it to the machine to go and stitch it together, and use the front side to also complete it. And our basket waistline and our stripe sleeve is ready, and you can see the way we go about it for the neck line of the front that we just made. So just watch my video to the end, please guys, and subscribe to my channel, please. So this is how it is now.
Yes, our unique neckline basket waistline is ready. Very unique. Can see how beautiful it is on my body. Very beautiful. I love this outfit. Very simple and unique. As you can see, I'm wearing it on a high waist skirt. You can use your jean, high waist jean, to also rock yours after making your own. You can see the fabric that we use, very small fabric. Please don't throw your small fabric away. Just use it to create this style. Very unique style. So guys, please don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can share this tutorial with your friends. Give this tutorial a thumbs up so that more people can get to see this tutorial and learn from it. So guys, like I said, always watch my tutorials to the end, please. It's another way for you to support this channel to grow. I really want this channel to grow. Please, let's grow this channel together by watching my tutorials to the end. It's another way for you to support this channel to grow. We also have other tutorials on my channel that you can also watch. Please just check my tutorials, and you can also learn other unique styles that we have made already, so that you can able to cut and sew them on your own. So you can see how beautiful the style came out. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button. If you have not done that, please, you can just pause and click the subscribe button to subscribe now. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next week on Monday.